2012 Kia Optima with a 2.4. Today we're going to be replacing the belt, the Serpentine belt. So I have one of these tools right here. This is a belt remover tool. You can actually rent this from AutoZone or Advanced Auto. It comes in a kit like that one. So the belt tensioner is going to be right there. That's going to be 17 millimeter. So what you do is you put that socket right there, and we're going to push it this way towards the firewall right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then that loosens up the belt. Then you can slide the belt out. But before you do that, go ahead and take a picture of the belt routing. You can actually look it up on Google too. So you can slide the belt out like that. So you can see the belt is definitely old and cracked. It's definitely time to replace it. This is the new belt that I bought from Amazon. That's the part number. There's two ways to install the belt. You can either remove the tire or the wheel and remove that plastic cover. Then you can guide the belt underneath, but you're gonna have to remove that plastic cover right here. I didn't feel like doing that, so what I did is I looped it here first, right there, and I think that's the water pump. Then I looped it up here and then pushed the belt with a long flathead screwdriver all the way to the crankshaft pulley, which is kind of hard to see. I just kind of push it all the way down there. Then I can rearrange the belt all the way up here in the top with the belt tensioner right here. I didn't feel like removing the cover, but I think it's easier if you guys remove this wheel and that plastic cover right here, so you have the full access at the bottom. Okay, so far this is what it looks like right now. I have this side installed all the way up there down to the crankshaft pulley. I'm gonna go ahead and push this inside like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen the tension, the belt tensioner. I'm gonna push it back this way, and then I'm gonna reach right here and pull it up and put it on top of that alternator pulley. Then I should complete the installation of that belt. That's what it looks like. Let's double check, make sure that the belt is sitting properly on the pulley. Let me take this off. And that's how you install the belt. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, guys. Also click on that subscribe button. And again, thank you for watching.